Won't you please subscribe to Shitoku Tech? Then maybe little Bobby won't have to walk the streets. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you've seen my other Raspberry Pi videos, I made a special edition case and I've beefed it up a little bit, adding 2 brackets for the legs on the bottom half and beefing up the top half. And then the legs also have like a little snap latch to hold them in the brackets once they're in place. Follow the link in the description below to take you to the Shitoku Tech Thingiverse page where you can download these parts for yourself. Okay, let's see how these fit together. There's that little latch. When you're designing this, you have to create a little void behind that and then make a little sliver of plastic stick out, and then there's room to press it back into the void. But it pops out, locks into place. That looks good. We'll pop another one of these in. So this makes up the base, and you can see with both the brackets and the latches it's a lot sturdier. And let's check out how that new top's going to look added to that. Alright, looks like everything's covered. Got the memory card slot, all the ports are open. So I've gone ahead and assembled it, and you see here the front with the USB and the Ethernet. The side ports are open. You have access to that if you had a ribbon cable or something. And you got that ribbon cable and the memory card slot available. Well, let's go ahead and see how those latches work coming back out. And just press it in, give it a little tug, and the legs slide right out. Okay, looking good. Okay, so those were the media center legs. Let's try the desktop PC legs. They're the ones that hold the case upright and a little bit higher. Remember, I used this as an OctoPI print server. This higher base acted as a stand for the web camera so I could monitor the prints on the Ender 3 as they went along. Those legs latch right in there. And there's the cover in place. And let's go ahead and check out how it looks when it's assembled. Again, here you have the front USB and Ethernet accessible, and all the side ports are accessible along the top with the case in an upright position. And you also have a little room to stash like a small accessory underneath the base. So check that out on Thingiverse and download it for yourself if you like. See the link below. Okay, wanted to give you a glimpse into the future at Shitoku Tech. Just got these in the mail from SparkFun. These are the Raspberry Pi Zero Ws, so it's got Wi-Fi built in. It's basically a Raspberry Pi that's half the width of the normal Raspberry Pi, not quite as powerful as something like the 4 or even the 3B, whatever. There's your micro SD slot, got your HDMI port, got a couple of USB ports, but those are micro USBs, so you need this OTG cable. That way you can plug a regular USB device in. I'll demonstrate that right now. Plug that OTG cable into the micro USB slot, and that gives you this USB port. Alright, stay tuned. Thank you very much.